You can access the Pocket Private Tutor app directly from your mobile phone or your tablet. Simply click on the Pocket Private Tutor icon and you'll be taken to the main menu. On the main menu, you will see all of the main maths areas that are directly linked to the national curriculum. So for example, if we go to number place value and click it, you will see all the learning objectives that fall under that category. Now the padlocks tell you that those lessons are locked unless you subscribe, which is $9.99 a month. So every month you will be able to access all of the 49 learning objectives. However, on the free version, you still have access to 6 lessons. One of those is under the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division section. You'll see all of the learning objectives, again, linked directly to the national curriculum, so you can match it straight up to everything a child in year 6 needs to learn. We're going to select the top one, which is long multiplication, 4 digits by 2 digits. When you click on it, you'll be taken to all of the learning resources for that learning objective. Now, if you go to resource here, you've got a progress tracker. Now, if you print this off, it's going to allow you to just keep track of which of the objectives you've completed the worksheet for, or watched the video for, or completed the past SATs questions. So it just gives you a really handy way of keeping track of everything you've done. In the worksheet section, this is what you're going to need to do while watching the video. You'll see that there are always worksheets and then the answers. So for this lesson, you've actually got 2 worksheets. So you go to one worksheet and you'll see there's a couple of pages and you will need to select print, find your printer and then print that off. And then you can also do the other worksheet, or you may want to do one worksheet at a time. Absolutely fine. You can go to the videos, whenever you want, pause. You don't have to complete the whole thing in one go. Once you've got your worksheet, you can then press play. You can then watch. In this video, we will be learning how to multiply the video directly on your device, so on your phone or on your tablet. Or if you click on the YouTube symbol, you'll be taken to YouTube. So once your video has loaded, be learning how to multiply numbers with up to 4 digits by another 2 digits. You can press the cast device and then you can cast it to whatever smart TV you have at home. So it could be your TV or whatever devices you have. So you could actually watch the video on a larger screen. So once you have completed your video, and you've completed the worksheets alongside the video. So the videos will actually guide you through the worksheets and will tell your child when it's time to use a different worksheet. And it will give them time to pause and give things a go and then watch along and check if they were correct, exactly like you would in a classroom. Okay, once you've done that, they may want to then, if they're feeling confident, go on to the past SATs questions. Now, when you go on to past SATs questions, I have collated questions from many past SATs papers, actual questions that are linked to that skill. So what it does, it gives them a chance to practice that skill in the style that it might appear and has appeared in a SATs paper. So please do look for the Pocket Private Tutor app. You can go to the Play Store, and similarly you can also do this on the Apple Store. Simply type in Pocket Private Tutor, or you could type in Year 6 Maths, Year 6 SATs, and you will find us there, Year 6 Maths SATs Revision. Remember, it is free to download and to try out those 6 lessons. But if you would like to try out all of the lessons, if you want to be able to access any of the 49 lessons from the Year 6 National Curriculum, it's just £9.99 a month. When you're ready to subscribe, simply click on one of the lessons that has a padlock on it and you'll be given 2 options, the £9.99 monthly option or the £79.99 yearly option. So obviously if you click the monthly option, at 1 month at a time, you can access any of the 49 lessons that are available to you. If you feel like you don't need to access all of the lessons and you just want to join for a month here and there, then that is the option for you. However, if you would like to be able to access all of the lessons at a reduced rate, so you're just paying for 8 months up front, and you get the other 4 months free, then the $79.99 option may be best for you. Remember, lots of these objectives are still going to remain relevant in year 7, year 8, and in fact, lots of year 9s that I tutor are still covering many of these maths objectives. This will remain valuable even after they have completed their SATs exams in May. If you would like some more support alongside using the Year 6 Maths app, then please do come and join my free Facebook group. It's called Pass the Year 6 Maths Sats, and it's all going to be geared around helping your child pass their Year 6 Maths Sats in May 2022. I'll be posting lots of tips, advice, sharing some resources, and offering guidance answering questions about the Year 6 Maths Sats. So I hope to see you there.